Okay, so what I'm seeing, this is directly across from the handle. So there's a document, right? A contract or a letter. And what I'm seeing are these two birds. And the birds, it's like these lines above their heads are the words or the song, the bird song, the messages coming from the two birds. Okay, so you got ask for help. This is a lady, shooting off one of those flare guns. This is like generally getting out the message. Anybody can respond who's available, emergency situation. Group communication. The turkey is awkward, but it's gonna come flying in and stir things up, but it's gonna land there and they're gonna have a good conversation about something. Messengers, birds are messengers. Lakshmi again, giving us tremendous support. And this is, I think, it could be like connected to Venus, which is love and money planet. And cooperation, this is a illustration I did a long time ago, commissioned by the grandparents of the two boys, the little one and the slightly older one, and their two dogs, and they wanted like anything having to do with the four of them. So this is a scene of cooperation. The dogs are bringing the sticks, and the older boy is building a bridge, which is a symbol of like unity and connection. And the little baby is even like offering a stick. And we have the sailboat in there in the stream. And, anyways, and then this one is Galahad, 9 of clubs. So Galahad is idealism, the last stage. 9s are the last stage in this, interpretation of the playing cards. So in this interpretation of the playing cards, 10 is a princess. There it's considered to be a face card. So that's why 9s are the last stage. An extreme, visionary of great ideals and goals, making extreme sacrifices to achieve success. So Galahad, the story, I think he was the one who was pursuing the golden chalice, something like that, and people were saying it doesn't exist, but he pursued it indefinitely. I think. Did he find it ever? I don't know, but anyways, he was willing to he did like quests, I think. And that's what this card is all about. Okay, and in the coffee cup you got a document of some kind, and 2 songbirds were inside the document singing their message. And they are also messengers, which was really beautiful. Number 2 is the receptive. It's Earth. It's the whole planet Earth, massive. Earth doubled. And the Earth's condition is receptive devotion. it carries everything on it. It doesn't like question anything, you know. It just carries everything. Thus, a superior man who has breadth of character carries the outer world. You need a pretty big, broad set of shoulders and a big heart to do this kind of work. But this is saying to follow and be open to being guided. If you try to lead, it's gonna go, things are gonna become confused because you're not in that position. Right now you're in the position of receiving guidance. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day.